Ayan sila, oh. They are very tired. They sit already on the street. Oh, hey, come on. Come on up. Di mo na kaya? Di na kaya ko, Lawrence. Kaya mo pa?
Beer.
Beer? Kaya? Kaya pa? Bakit pagod na pagod kayo? Why?
Sabi ko sa inyo, huwag na lang kayo bumili ng charcoal.
Why? We need that. Oh, Jonah! What happened? What happened? You cannot walk?
Ugod na.
Oo, ugod na si Jonah, oh. Wow, yan, oh, lalakarin mo pa namin yan. Up there.